In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through the exact path inside ClickUp and highlight what to expect, including the plan requirement you'll need to continue. Before you start, it helps to be logged into the correct ClickUp workspace and to know whether you have permission to make billing changes. If you're not the owner or an admin, you may need someone with those permissions to complete the upgrade step later. Begin inside ClickUp. Look to the top left of your screen and click your workspace name. From there, open Settings. In Settings, find and open the App Center. This is the central hub for all ClickUp integrations, and it's where you can discover, enable, and manage connections, like HubSpot. If you have multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the one where you want the integration to live. Once you're in the App Center, use the search bar to look for HubSpot. When you see the HubSpot integration, click Manage to view its details and options. Next, choose Add to HubSpot. This is the action that kicks off the connection process. At this stage, you're simply telling ClickUp that you want to enable the HubSpot integration for your workspace. After you click Add to HubSpot, ClickUp will display an upgrade screen. This is expected behavior, and it's an important checkpoint. The HubSpot integration is not available on the free plan. To proceed, your workspace must be on the unlimited plan or higher. If you're evaluating whether the integration is worth it, consider the benefit of keeping sales activity and task management in sync, which can reduce manual updates and improve visibility across teams. If you're ready to continue, click Upgrade and complete the payment. Follow the on-screen steps to finalize your plan change. Once the upgrade is successful, you can return to the HubSpot integration page and continue the process you started. ClickUp will guide you through any remaining prompts so the connection can be activated. If you don't see the integration immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. To recap, you accessed the App Center from your workspace settings, searched for HubSpot, selected Manage, and chose Add to HubSpot. The upgrade screen appears because the integration requires at least the unlimited plan. After upgrading and completing payment, you're set to finish connecting and start using the integration features available to your workspace. If you run into access or billing restrictions, coordinating with your workspace owner or admin is the quickest way to move forward.